Hey guys, this is TML from Flipping Central. Today I have an easy to build sub $400 system that can be done without insane deal hunting. It has 6 cores, 12 threads, 16 gigs of RAM, and over a terabyte of storage and a solid graphics card. So without much else to say, let's get straight into the parts list. First off, we have a Ryzen 5 1600 which I grabbed on Mercari for only $100. For $100, it's not the worst value, and it offers 6 cores, 12 threads at a 3.2 GHz base clock and has overclocking. Next up, the graphics card. I managed to get a Gigabyte GTX 960 2GB for only $50 on Facebook. While yes, that is a really lucky price, you can get them on eBay for just about $125, somewhere in that ballpark. Even with that price increase, it's still a pretty solid card because you can get 60 to 100 FPS depending on the title at 1080p medium settings. For the motherboard, I picked up a Gigabyte B450 DS3H with pretty decent VRMs and features for only $50 on Amazon Warehouse. Warehouse is one of the best places to get motherboards because you can get them for so cheap and they're usually pretty high quality. Keep in mind these are used motherboards, so just be wary for that, but for the prices that you can get them at, I feel it's a pretty safe risk to take. For the RAM, I got a 16GB kit of Crucial Ballistics. While only clocked at 2400 MHz, which is fairly slow, I got it for free, so that kind of makes up for it. You can get a kit similar to this for around $50 with 3000 MHz speed, or you could overclock a slower kit that you could get for around $35 to $40 on most used marketplaces. For the storage, I have a SSD / hard drive combo. For the SSD, I got a 120GB drive for $15 off of AliExpress, which is, I mean, it's kind of sketch, but it's not terrible. It's just going to be used for my operating system and small apps like my browser, Discord, stuff like that. For my games, I have a $15 used 1TB WD Blue hard drive. For the case, I got a Montech Flyer off of Newegg for just under $30 brand new. It's a decent case with decent airflow and good cable managing cutouts. For the case, you can use basically anything that you'd like. I'd recommend MATX because our motherboard is MATX, but I mean, yeah, you could go with basically anything that you like here. Finally, for the last part of the system, I got a EVGA 450 watt white PSU for $14 from their B-Stock section. B-Stock is where they sell returned and ARM-made PSUs for good discounts. For the price, it's pretty much unbeatable and it will work for this build just fine. However, if you do want to upgrade in the future, I would get something like a Corsair CX 650 watt or a Thermaltake BM2 650 watt power supply. Those can be had for around $40 to $50 on sale, and they'll allow you to upgrade to anything much more powerful in the future. With that out of the way, let's get into the build. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Consider following our Instagram and TikTok, which will be linked below, and also feel free to check out our Discord and our website. Over there we have in-depth reviews of certain hardware and a dedicated flipping guide. In our server, we have a pretty good community of PC flippers and everyone's down to help each other out. Overall, it's a really chill environment and we're pretty lenient on the rules, not too heavy with them. We also do host giveaways pretty frequently, so consider dropping by. Thanks. If you liked the video, consider liking and subscribing as well. See ya!